Learning how to make money as a child is a valuable skill that will serve you well throughout your life. It allows you to appreciate the value of a hard day's work. Furthermore, you can finally afford all of the wonderful things you desire without having to beg your parents for additional funds. Here are some of the best ways for children to earn money. Number 1, make video games. To create your own game from the ground up, you don't even need a lot of coding knowledge. For example, Roblox is a massive online multiplayer game where users can play user-created content. The game includes its own currency system as well as a creator program. Some of the highest paid Roblox game creators work full-time on the platform. Best of all, the majority of them are under the age of 18. Number 2, digitize your photographs. While most of us use digital photography exclusively, many people still have old analog photos that are collecting dust. A digitizing service is a fantastic business idea for kids. You can charge your neighbors a fee for scanning and digitizing all of their old photographs. These services are in high demand, so start marketing yourself on social media to attract some clients. Number 3, sell collectibles on the internet. Natural collectibles can make you a lot of money. Seashells, gems, exotic rocks, and even old woods are all worth a lot of money. You can go foraging and sell your finds online if you live near these types of areas. Number 4, sell your work of art. The beauty of the arts world is that there are no right or wrong answers. Kids, like adults, can be artists, so why not sell your latest creation online? Etsy and eBay are the best places to sell your work and earn money. You can, however, advertise on private marketplaces, social media, and other places. Number 5, make a living as a video editor. On the internet, there are a plethora of video editing jobs available. To get these jobs, you don't need to use production-level software. YouTubers sometimes just need someone to fix timing issues or cut out bad footage. Because those jobs don't necessitate any specialized software, you can easily use the pre-installed programs on your computer. As you work more jobs, you'll gain more experience and develop skills that could lead to a lucrative career. Number 6, participate in contests and drawings. Contests and drawings are common on the internet. Many contests reward winners with cash or gift cards, regardless of their age. Make sure to notify your parents before entering any contest. Before you enter any personal information, they can look at it and see if it's legitimate. Number 7, take a look at the world of esports. Esports, like streaming, allows you to earn money by playing games. Esports is a relatively new sport that has only recently gained popularity. Even so, players compete in professional matches for large sums of money. At the time, the youngest professional esports player to earn $1 million was only 15 years old. To make it in esports, you'll need to excel at competitive games. Then you'll need to join a league and compete in tournaments. From there, you can earn money through prizes, sponsorships, and other means. Number 8, consignment of secondhand goods. Did you know that there are a plethora of free items to download from the internet? Craigslist is a fantastic place to find free stuff. You can take those items to a consignment shop and sell them there. You can also create an eBay listing and sell to a much larger audience. Number 9, instruct others on how to use technology. Everyone knows that the younger generation is more technologically advanced than the older generation. Since they were able to hold things in their hands, most children have used mobile phones. You can supplement your income by charging for technical assistance. The best way to do this is to post an online ad for your services or to take on odd jobs on Fiverr. Number 10, offer digital products for sale. If you're like most kids, you've mastered the use of technology. So why not put your skills to work and create digital products that you can sell? You can also sell custom logos, website themes, and digital tools in addition to ebooks. Skins for their favorite video games have proven to be a hit with some kids. Online digital goods can be sold. You also won't have to deal with inventory. Number 11, apps for testing. You can become an official app tester with the help of your parents. Downloading unreleased computer and mobile software titles is the responsibility of app testers. They must then use the apps and provide feedback, allowing developers to make changes that will improve the launch's success. There are several websites where children can sign up to work as app testers and be compensated for their efforts. Number 12, publish a book on your own. Self-publishing has never been easier thanks to Amazon and other popular digital stores. You have the option of writing a short story, novel, or full-fledged series. You can publish your literary work yourself without taking any risk, no matter how long it is. Traditional printed books sell just as well as digital ebooks. As a result, there is a large market to sell to. Number 13, make use of crowdsourcing. What if I told you there was a way to make money without doing anything? There is always the option of crowdsourcing. While this doesn't always work, it's a good way to raise money quickly for a fundraiser or a big trip. Platforms like GoFundMe and Kickstarter let you create custom pages where your friends and family can donate to whatever cause you're fundraising for. The platform manages the donations, making it very efficient for the children. Number 14, become a party host or hostess. Do you enjoy being dressed up and being the center of attention? If that's the case, you'll love this money-making opportunity. People pay a lot of money to have a good time at a party. You can dress up for younger children's birthday parties or try your hand at face painting. Simply put together a website to promote your services and include some photos of your costumes. You'll be flooded with customers in no time. Number 15, rent your own equipment. Many adults supplement their income by renting out items they don't use on a regular basis. This includes spare bedrooms, parking spaces, and even automobiles. While you won't be able to go to those lengths, you can rent out smaller items. Sports equipment, video game equipment, and even clothing are all viable options. Simply post an online ad or create a website to promote your services. It won't be long before you find someone willing to pay for a limited period of time. Number 16, become a video streamer. Streaming video games is a multi-billion-dollar business. Some of the most well-known figures in the streaming industry earn millions of dollars each year doing what they love. You can record the action and upload it to video sharing sites using streaming hardware. Alternatively, you can broadcast live on Twitch or YouTube games. Subscriptions, working with brands, and displaying ads during the stream are all ways for streamers to make money. Number 17, become a virtual tutor. Kids and teenagers who do well in school can make money online by applying their knowledge. Tutoring websites have become extremely popular. They match tutors with students who are having difficulty. Students are said to benefit more from one-on-one interaction with a peer than receiving help from a teacher. Tutoring not only benefits younger children and struggling students, but it also allows you to learn more about a variety of topics. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Number 18, flip products. Flipping products is a surprisingly simple way to make money online. Thrift shops and flea markets are known for selling high-end items for dirt cheap. Even though they have been used, the majority of them are still in good condition. You can clean up those used products and resell them online. Many eBay sellers do this and profit handsomely after just one sale.